Here we are at Cedar Hill State Park, and Vicki is making a lemon poppy seed cake. So you didn't even call Billy this time, huh? You just read the instructions?
Well, we kind of communicated through that last video, you know?
Oh.
So,
yeah.
Giving a little twist, the old Billy twist-a-rooney there.
I can't wait to see how it turns out.
I'm sure you got that on film, right?
Probably. I hope so.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Good morning, friends. So Vicki and I decided to come out to Cedar Hill State Park this weekend just because it was supposed to be nice weather. We're about to go on a little bike ride walk. She's walking, I'm riding around the campground a little bit. I want to check out a couple of campsites for some folks and see what they look like. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Thought I'd take you along. Well, this is site 33. I can't remember where Joni said she was booked, 33 or 37, but this isn't where I thought it was, but it's a nice site. We'll go down and look at 37. I think Brandon said he's in 36 maybe. And I think that there is a little trail over there that gets back to the water. I'm not sure. I know he's right in this area somewhere. Alright, so this is site 37, which is really cute, but yeah, if there's a lot of rain, this would be a mud fest. Really nice though. Nice little fire ring. Picnic table in the woods. I can't remember who told me they booked site 22, but I love this one. It's kind of secluded down here. The end. Extra parking over there. So Vicki's on a walking mission. She's doing a relay online with her team, and she has so much fun with it. So she's got to walk for the next 30 minutes. So I'm following along on my bike. These sites down here are just really fabulous. I can't wait till it's full of Lolapaloozians. It's going to be awesome. So hey friends, just a real quick update on Lolapalooza. My friends and I have been giving a lot of thought to how we can pull this off social distancing style. And thinking outside the box, we have come up with some pretty amazing ideas. I think this is going to be really fun. So I think what we're going to do is Thursday between 4 and 6 o'clock, you can stop by Campsite 75 and pick up your t-shirts if you have ordered one of those, and there'll be a welcome bag for everybody who is attending that's free of charge. In the welcome bag you'll find a schedule of whatever events that we're going to have and how you can participate in them if you so choose to. So it's going to be so much fun, you guys. So if you think you want to come and you haven't reserved a site yet, I highly encourage you to go ahead and do so. Seems like the park is filling up fast, and I know it's not just because of our event, although I think that there's quite a few people signed up for that already. I know other people will be reserving for that weekend just for camping. It's real close to Halloween, so a lot of people will probably come out and decorate their campsites and things like that. So hey, if that's something you want to do, feel free to do that too. That will add one more level of fun to Lolapalooza 2020. So anyway, just thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to leave you here with just a short clip of us making some boneless turkey breast stew, basically, in the Dutch oven. Should be yummy. Y'all stay lost, my friends. We're gonna cut up some veg. Yep, even some carrots. Sorry, Lance. I skin you alive, little carrot. Eek. Hey, Vic, catch. So we got the turkey breast in with the veg. Just gonna put some herbs on it. Yum. Added some green beans for color. My daughter's making some vegetarian style in the little 6-inch Dutch oven. check back with you in a couple hours. So we are really loving this Campmaid Dutch oven that Bill Gowdy gave us. Pretty awesome. Oh yeah, that's steaming good. So if you're interested in checking out these awesome Campmaid Dutch ovens, I'll put a link below to Bill Gowdy's channel. If you put his special code, I think you can save 20% on a Campmaid Dutch oven of your very own.
Ah, this smells delicious.
And then we need to check the Billy Strong 6-incher. Oh, look at the steam. Yeah, that looks good.
One more?
Yeah, one more. Just 'cause yum. It's yum. Okay. Oh, look at the goodness. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Nice.
So dinner is ready. Yummy. Time to munch. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Well, that's confusing. So what you think, Vic? Is it a winner?
Winner, winner. Turkey dinner. It's very good. Let me get that live bug out for you.
Thank you.